about the Cairo success trip, the Louis Vuitton shopping incentive, and how to do Nu Skin more professionally and more effectively. My name is Marlon Ilagan. I'll be your host for tonight. So before we continue, can you guys type in the chat box where you are watching the Zoom meeting from? So I'm hosting this Zoom meeting from the comfort of my home here in Silang. So we have people watching from Antipolo, Pasay, Batangas City, Imus, Kawit, Quezon City, Bulacan. Keep them coming. So our first sharer will teach us all about the system. So she's a chemistry graduate from the University of the Philippines. She also finished her master's degree in chemistry from the same university. Here in this business, she earned her millions already and is a senior brand partner. Help me welcome Miss Vic Loret.
Hello everyone, can you guys hear me loud and clear? Can I see a yes? Okay, I'll just share my screen. Okay, can you see my screen now? Can you see a thumbs up or a yes? Okay. Thank you, Marlon, for that generous introduction. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vic Liren. I'm a chemist and a researcher by profession, born and raised in Tacloban City, educated with a master's degree in chemistry at UP Diliman. My family is a Typhoon Yolanda survivor, and the primary reason why I'm doing this business. The secondary reason is to fund yung mga luho ko sa buhay, like traveling, food trip, fitness, and belly dancing. But enough about me because this event is about you. My task for this evening is to talk about systems. Okay. A system is a proven way of doing things. So the synergy system has already created a lot of millionaires like me and in this team, and all we need to do is to duplicate it. Okay, so the first part of the system is duplication. Can you type that one? Duplication. So good examples of duplication are on your screen. You will see McDonald's and 7-Eleven. Di ba hindi naman life-changing yung mga products ng 7-Eleven tsaka McDonald's, pero we understand that these are actually successful businesses because they follow the duplication system. So when we say duplicate, it's a copy. So in this business, you are the master copy. So, and we create duplicates. So in Synergy, we follow the principle, monkey see, monkey do. So people do what you do, not what you say. So dito sa business na to, dapat magaling tayo kumopya, hindi tulad sa school. So what do we copy and emulate? So we copy and emulate success principles and success habits to our team. So as leaders, we have to ask ourselves, parang sa lahat ba ng ginagawa natin, duplicable ba tayo? Okay? Second is, be coachable. So even great athletes like Manny Pacquiao and Michael Jordan, they have their coaches. So they have Phil Jackson, and we also have Manny Pacquiao's coach, so Freddie Roach. So they're actually both influential in building their sports career, and they have strong, admirable career in the sports industry. So in this business, our coaches, we call them mentors in the business. They always have the best interest at heart, and they always believe in our success, even kung hindi pa natin feeling natin we don't have belief in ourselves, no? And we have to take that belief at heart, and eventually we have to listen to them. So what do we mean by coachability? Coachability means two things. Number one, willingness to learn, and number two, willingness to change. So during coaching sessions, dapat 10% lang yung problem discussion and 90% should be problem solving. So dito sa business na to, during coaching, dapat willing tayo and very open tayo na mapagsabihan ng mga mentors natin. Kasi in the first place, wala naman silang ipapagawa na ikapapahamak natin or ikapapahamak ng business natin. So do you agree? So we have to learn and trust our mentors, no, in this business. And also, gusto ng mga mentors natin na mag-level up yung leadership skill natin. Why? Because high leadership skill would mean high income. So can you type that? High leadership, high income. So whenever our mentors invite us na parang, oh, kain tayo or labas tayo, huwag na magdalawang isip, sumama ka na. Do not expect na ililibre ka ng mentor mo. But during those sessions, very crucial yon. So dapat nakikinig tayo, and if there are other people with us during those mga small gatherings, dapat nakikinig tayo, hindi tayo nang de-distract ng ibang tao. Kasi yung ibang tao, they also want to learn from our mentors. Okay? Next is commitment. So on your screen, you will see results. Always follow commitment. It's not the other way around. So results, always follow commitment. Nauuna muna ang commitment, di ba? Hindi nauuna ang results. So you will see 3 types of commitment on your screen. Number 1 is I will try. Number 2 is I will do my best. And number 3, I will do whatever it takes. So question, alin kaya dyan yung pinakamagandang type of commitment? 1, 2, or 3? So di ba number 3, I will do whatever it takes. So on your screen, you'll also see the commitment curve. So ano yan? So sa umpisa, parang taas-taas ng effort mo, pero parang wala ka masyadong makitang result. So okay lang yan. Lahat naman tayo, dadaan talaga dyan. So you have to keep going. Eventually, sa kakagawa mo, you will hit a breakthrough point wherein parang hindi na ganun kataas yung effort mo than before. So I'm not saying zero effort ha. Hindi na ganun kataas yung effort mo than before, pero yung results mo, mas maayos na than before. Okay? So next is the right attitude. So in this business, it is 99% attitude, 1% lang yung skill. So good news yan sa lahat sa atin na nandito. So meaning, hindi mo kailangan super talino mo, hindi kailangan cum laude ka, hindi rin kailangan na super skilled kang tao. So hindi rin kailangan super yaman mo dito sa business na to. Kasi ang sabi nga dyan, 99% attitude, 1% lang yung skill. So importante, we have to be positive at all times. Can you type that one? Be positive at all times. So meron dyan crucial na phrase, at all times. So mahirap siya. So how do we maintain this? So we can maintain this by guarding our minds from negative stuff, lalo na ngayon, di ba? Ang daming negative left and right. So parang shutdown muna sa mga negative na mga news. For example, iwas ka muna sa mga negative people para hindi ka nahahawa. Kasi nga, 99, important yung attitude mo dito sa business na to. So on your screen, meron dyan parang analogy. So we have to attract the best people sa team natin, di ba? So ano kaya yung mas maganda? Do we need to become a garden full of butterflies? Or gusto ba natin maging trash can full of flies? Di ba mas maganda maging garden? Di ba? So, on your screen, you will see an attitude code. So, we can read that one. Attitude is everything. Life is 10%. What happens to you? Pero 90% how you react to it. So, that is attitude. Next is CEO mindset. So, a CEO of the company is dependable. It is independent, okay? And when we say CEO, self-initiating siya and accountable. CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer. So, pag sinabing chief, so head ka, you are the leader of your team. Pag E, executive, so from execute. So, you execute strategies during coaching sessions when you come up with a decision. So, and also O is officer, you officiate a team. So kung mag-isa ka pa lang ngayon, paano yan? Wala akong team, mag-isa pa lang. Okay lang yan. You also have your mentors with you who are also building your team. So okay lang yan. So sa umpisa lang naman. And being a CEO follows the principle, okay, if it's to be, it's up to me. So can you type that one? If it's to be, it's up to me. So ibig sabihin, the future of your business depends on you. Hindi nakadepend sa mentor mo, sa friend mo. So, di ba, pa-victim yon. So, dapat, pag nag-decide ka, lahat ng results ng business mo, nakadepend yan sa'yo. Okay? Next is culture. So let me introduce to you the synergy culture because great organizations have great culture. So the first part of the culture is what we call edification. So edification, or it also means retrospect. Retrospect means recognition and respect. So in Synergy, we practice the ABC principle. So paano yun? A would mean the advisor or yung mentor mo sa business. C is your client or yung customer mo. B is the bridge. So dito sa business na to, isa lang yung, kung bago ka pa lang, isa lang yung dapat mong matutunan. Be an excellent bridge. Okay? So how do we become an excellent bridge? Ang trabaho lang ng isang bridge is building up. You bridge A tsaka C. So, for example, may friend ka, gusto mo talaga siyang maging next business partner kasi matalino siya or mayaman or feeling mas magaling talaga siya sa'yo. So, ang ginawa mo, in-invite mo siya sa business, dinala mo siya sa Xquadra. Since bago ka pa lang, ang gagawin mo lang is to build up the company. For example, you build up the event, the business opportunity meeting, and you build up your mentor. So, for example, dinala mo na yung friend mo. So, pangalan ng friend mo, kunyari ako, dinala ko yung friend ko, si Olive, sa Xquadra. So, syempre, ichichismis ko na sa kanya yung mentor ko. 'Di ba? So, why do we do that? Actually, hindi naman kailangan ng mga mentors natin yon na parang i-build up sila. Pero importante yon to build credibility and so that makikinig yung friend mo sa mentor mo. Okay? So, paano yun ginagawa? So, ichichismis ko na ang mentor ko, si Marlon, kay parang Olive, ipapakilala kita sa senior partner ko, si Marlon. Chem din siya, like me, so nerd din siya. Pero yung family business kasi nila, parang distributor sila ng mga FMCG products. Pero kahit mayaman na talaga yung background niya, he decided na maging self-made dito sa business na to. So, eventually, kung gusto mo talaga maging, for example, nakapag-decide kang gawin natin yung business natin together, yung business na to together, siya din yung tutulong sa'yo kasi siya din yung tumutulong sa akin sa business natin. Can you do that? Di ba parang andali lang, parang binibuild up mo lang yung mentor mo. Tapos, never do this. Bibit-bitin mo yung mentor mo palapit sa friend mo. Baliktad dapat. Dapat yung friend mo, yung dadalhin mo papalapit doon sa mentor mo. Okay? So, syempre, dinala ko na si Olive doon sa mentor ko, si Marlon. Papakilala ko na parang, Olive, let me introduce to you my mentor. Siya yung ang kinikwento ko sa iyo kanina. Senior partner ko siya sa business, si Marlon Ilagan. Tapos, papakilala mo na si Olive. Parang, Marlon, this is my friend, Olive. So, she's an executive. So, ganun lang. Tapos, ang gagawin mo lang, makikinig ka lang. Since bago ka pa lang sa business, hindi mo kailangan masyadong magsalita. Parang oo ka lang ganun. Tapos, observe everything. So, observe anong gagawin ng mentor mo during sa process, yung explanation, business, yun, makinig ka lang. Tapos, observe mo. Kasi eventually, ikaw din yung magiging A. Okay? So, madali lang din. Next is counseling. So, part of counseling is this. When you're up, you go down. And when you're down, you go up. Ano ibig sabihin nun? So for example, when you're up, nakabenta ka ng Ecosphere, kumita ka ng 100,000. For example, nagkaroon ka ng bagong business partner, ikwento mo yan sa team mo. So share the energy. Show your team that everything is possible. And when you're down, you go up. For example, nag-cancel ng order, tumalbog yung cheque, yung 10 in-invite mo, sabi na pupunta sila sa event, hindi naman pala pumunta. Nahirapan ka. Huwag mong ipapakita na nega ka sa team mo. Never. Kasi di ba, positive at all times. So, huwag kang magkalat ng negative energy sa team mo. What do? We counsel. We talk to our mentors. Ano kayo yung problema? And find solutions, then execute. So, ganun lang. Okay, next is no cross-lining. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? So, terminologies lang tayo sa business. So first is mentors or senior partners, also partners, business partners, and cross-line. Ito lang yung rule sa cross-line. If hindi mo siya mentor, hindi mo siya business partner, cross-line ang tawag doon. Okay? So business na to, of course, positive lahat ng tao, friendly, lahat positive. Di ba? Parang ang sayang makipag-exchange ng numbers, ganyan. Connect tayo, ganyan-ganyan. No, kasi dito sa business na to, we mind our own business. So can you type that? Mind your own business. So ibig sabihin, okay lang makipag-usap. Pero when we talk about business, hindi na natin sila pinag-uusapan. So for example, parang, uy, gano'n ka nakatagal dito? Parang magkano na kinikita mo? Parang ganun. Parang nakabenta ka ba today? Parang ganun. Huwag mo siyang itatanong. Okay? So anong pin title mo na? Parang milyonaryo ka na ba? Mga ganun. So we don't ask those types of questions kasi parang chismis lang yun. Okay? So yun. Also, never add them on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Huwag mo na silang i-add kasi malilito ka lang. Okay? So yun. So no cross-lining. So next is, be a hot molecule. Hindi nag... Okay, so yon. Be a hot molecule, ibig sabihin, always be positive at all times. So pag malungkot ka, iwan mo muna yan sa bahay. Pagdating sa business, positive ka. Okay? Next is, so this is, I'm almost done. So foundation. So big organizations have strong foundations in this business. So this is the foundation. So first is nameless. So this is our biggest asset in this business. Kasi wala naman tayong pinuhunang kapital milyon-milyon dito sa business na to. Diba? We only have products and of course we have inventory naman. So products lang for us to use. Diba? So dito dapat yung name list mo, listahan, nakasulat. Isulat mo na dito lahat ng gusto mong maging business partner. For example, pinakamagaling, pinakamatalino, pinakamabait. For example, so isulat mo na sila. Basta kilala mo, isulat mo na. So aim for a 300 name list. Actually, madali lang yon kasi ang Facebook mo, more or less, meron kang 500 name list. Okay? So, yon. Next would be products. So, lahat tayo nagsimula with the products, either Ecosphere yan, Galvanic Spa, or Well Spa, or Collagen, kung ano man yung product na yan. It's very important na meron kang testimony. Kasi your testimony is your big asset in terms of selling or promoting the products. Kasi maniniwala yung friend namin kapag totoo, di ba? Hindi sa artista. So, have a before and after picture, tapos i-monitor mo yung journey mo. Okay? Next would be trainings and events. So, these events, because sa trainings and events, this would speed up your learnings in this business and shorten your learning curve. So, ito yung mga events na makakatulong sa iyo how to level up your skill sa business and of course, syempre yung income mo din. So, first, yung mga regular natin events, we call this one BOM or yung beauty master classes. Okay? So, we have Tuesday. So, yun bukas yun. We also have Thursday, the Ecosphere. We have Saturdays, dalawa yon, yung isa sa office and yung isa sa gabi. Okay, we also have the new distributors training. Ito yon, Monday. Then we also have the BDD that is Saturday 10 a.m. Magtanong sa mentor mo paano ka mag-qualify dyan kasi hindi siya free for all. Next would be the mother of all trainings. We call this one boot camp. So one is going to happen this June or July. So yan, magtanong ka din sa mentor mo, never to be missed itong very, very important training. Parang yung pinag-aaralan mo in 2 years, for example, sa business, pwede mo siyang matutunan in 2 days. So yun, di biro. Palang nagfa-fast track yung million mo dito sa business pag naka-attend ka sa bootcamp na yun. And of course, other trainings and events recommended by your mentor. So magtanong ka kung okay bang yung training na yan, attendan mo. And of course, ayan, one upcoming event na dapat hindi natin ma-miss, Harmony. So kung sino yung may ticket na, can you type Harmony? So this is a very, very important event kasi first time ever, no? Merong dalawang event yan na pagkamura-mura 300 lang. Yung first part is yung product showcase. So lahat ng mga ihakutin mo na yung barangay, yung buong barangay niyo para ma-experience yung products for free, pero syempre may pila lang yon. At kung hindi ka umabot sa pila, ask your mentor to help you para magkaroon ng special product showcase. At yung second is the business opportunity meeting. So, nagkakaubusan na daw ng ticket. So, tanungin mo na yung mentor mo paano ka magkakaroon ng ticket na yan. Okay? So, this coming Saturday. That is, ang start yan is 1:30 to 5, Discovery Suites. And of course, we encourage everyone to wear very, very business attire, di ba? Kasi big event at dapat event mo din yun. mo din to kasi business mo to, di ba? Hindi to business ng mentor mo. Okay? And of course, recommended books and CDs or audio or podcast, for example. Kasi hindi naman everyday, di ba, positive, di ba? Parang syempre may nega din na type, na parts or yung news, for example. So how do you protect our minds? By reading books and listening to audio tapes. So as your mentor, ano yung pwede mong basahin or pakinggan? Pero as an example, for example, The Magic of Thinking Big, for example, by Dale Carnegie. Pwede ka rin The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker, or How to Win Friends and Influence People. Yung pala kay Dale Carnegie. Okay? And of course, yung mga podcast, libre lang din yun. So, pwede kang kay John Maxwell, for example. Walang bayad yon. So, and other books and audios na pwede mong pakinggan. Okay? So, yeah, that ends my discussion on system. If you also want to become a millionaire like us, so just follow and duplicate the system. And of course, nandiyan naman yung mentor to help you. So the synergy system, it is inclusive and biased and very simple. Simple, but challenging. Sabi nga sa quote on your screen, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to start. And of course, we have to do it more often. So kung kaya ng isang introvert na ang alam lang ay mag-aral tsaka test shoots, I'm sure kayang-kaya nyo din. So take action, stay focused, and trust the process. Thank you, and I'll bring you back to my mentor, Marlon Ilagan.
Thank you, Vic. The next part of our training is how to set and get your clear business goals. So she is the 2025 Direct Selling Association of the Philippines Sales Achiever of the Year. So she sells the most number of ecosphere in the country. Help me welcome Miss Jen Elizalde.
Thank you, Marlon, for that very generous introduction. Okay, let me share my screen. Yeah, share. Okay. Ayan. Okay, good evening, everyone. I'm Jen Pakan Elizalde. Prior to doing Nu Skin, I own and manage my baking tools and supply store in Makati. I was really looking for other opportunity because that time I was really sick and tired of doing the traditional business. But I'm forever grateful to myself for saying yes to this amazing opportunity in Nu Skin. So enough about me. Tonight, this evening, I'm tasked to share with you one of the most important skills that you need to master in this business about setting goals. Before we move to setting goals, I want to ask you guys who here are goal setter. So meaning before Nu Skin, ikaw yung tipong meron ka talagang planner or meron kang organizer, you're making list like you're writing down like for example like by the age of 25, I already have 1 million savings in the business, or by the age of 27, meron na akong nakapag-travel na ako to 5 different countries. And by the age of 30, I'm already married or meron na akong sariling bahay. So, kindly type GS in the chat box. I'm just curious to know kung goal setter ka na ba before Nu Skin. Ayan. So, marami pala dito yung goal setter. So, if you're a GS or goal setter, congratulations because it means you will become successful in this business. So there's a study done in Yale University. They found out that only 5%, yung sa graduating batch na yun, no, 1983, they found out that 5% set a clear and written goal. So kailangan clear at saka sinusulat talaga. So after 10 years, they followed through. So what happened dun sa graduating batch na yon, yung 5% was able to achieve but nung na-achieve yung 5% na yun, was able to surpass nung 95% combined na achieve nila. So therefore, there's power of written goals. So what is goals? Goals is basically a dream with a deadline. So how can you set goals? It's very simple. You just need to follow a simple formula called the Be Smart. Be smart means be means begin with the end in mind. So can you comment in the chat box or type in the chat box win, WIN? Meaning, when you begin with the end in mind, you have to see a goal, you have to see it in your mind before it actually happens. So when you're starting something like, let's say, nag-create ka ng magandang bahay or nag-create ka ng beautiful gown, or when you're actually creating a beautiful building, bago siya naging physical reality, nakita mo na siya sa mind ng architect, ng engineer, or even ng interior designer bago siya naging isang magandang building na nakatayo. So same thing din in our life. We have to see it, we have to envision in our mind, we have to envision that we're already successful before you get it. Okay? Next is specific. So a specific goal is clear and well defined. So it should answer the questions what, why, and how. For example, instead of setting a goal to get or a plan to get in shape, set a goal to lose at least 10 pounds in the next 3 months by exercising 30 days or 30 minutes every day and eating a balanced diet. So we encourage creating what you call a dream board or vision board. Ano ba yung tinatawag na dream board? It's actually where you put all the photos or the things that you want to achieve in life. Because the more specific you are, it's better because what you visualize, it will materialize. So I'd like to share my dream board. So ito, pinost ko yung very specific na goals ko noong 2023. So October or until December, 85% na-achieve ko na yung goal ko for that specific year. So say ito yung updated yung 2026 na vision board ko. So, and also, this is my 2026 dream board. So, nilalagay ko siya sa kung saan yung most of the time nag-spend ako, like nakikita ko pag gising ko ng umaga or bago ako matulog para alam ko kung ano yung goal ko, yung gusto ko ma-achieve the following day. So, turning visions into reality. So, this is my 2024 Horizons Trip. So, kung nakikita nyo dito sa 2023 na dream board ko, nandyan pa lang siya, nakapost pa lang sa vision board na yan. But, noong 2024, na-achieve ko na yung, I qualified to 2024 Hokkaido Success Trip. So there's a power of a vision board or a written goals. Ito naman, some of the leaders and other new skin posted yung dream board nila. So meron specific to dream board. Ito yung sumakay sila sa bike kasi 'di ba sa Amsterdam very marami yung bikes talaga. So yung walk-in center, may naglagay ng bike. So a lot of the leaders ginawa talaga nila, pinost nila specific. So, same thing din sa akin. So, yung 2025 dream board ko, very specific. Yun yung ito yung yung trench coat ko, yun yung sinuot ko nung nasa Hokkaido na ako. Then after that event, meron binigay sa amin na postcard na yung trip to Amsterdam. So I was so amazed kasi kung ano yung sinuot ko na trench coat, yun din specific na trench coat nung nasa Amsterdam na postcard. So yun, so hindi lang siya naging isang picture na pinost ko sa dream board ko. So naging real na siya. So because yung 2025 we qualified to Amsterdam Success Trip. So there's really a power of dream board or the written and specific goals. So next is measurable. So measurable meaning a goal can be tracked and quantified. It should have a clear metric para alam mo kung yung achievable ba yung goal mo. Why? Because there is no free lands in this business or in this world. Dapat alam mo kung magkano yung bahay na gusto mo, yung sasakyan na gusto mo, or even yung dreams or yung dream vacation na gusto mo. Okay? Next is attainable. An attainable goal is realistic and within your capabilities. For example, kung hindi ka pa nag-run sa buong buhay mo or kahit man lang treadmill, setting a marathon goal or setting a marathon goal in the next month is impossible. So Meaning, kung next month magsiset ka na gusto mo makapag 21 kilometer ka or 42 kilometer yung full marathon, it's really impossible. Why? There are three types of commitment. Number one is I'll try. Second is I'll do my best. Third is I'll do whatever it takes. Yung pinakamaganda, syempre, is I'll do whatever it takes because there's no such thing as trying because it's either you do or you don't. And when you do, sometimes you're best is not good enough. Kaya nga you need to do whatever it takes. Next is realistic. Now, in this business, when you talk about realistic, what it means kasi, realistic siya sa mind mo, but you're willing to work hard for it. What's more important in setting a goal is that a person, not just the goal, but a person that you will become when you reach that certain goal. Why? Because dito sa business natin, sa Nuskin business natin, pag tumatagal ka, mas lalo kang bumabait. Why? Because our business is a character building. Do you guys agree? So I suggest you set a goal that would really, really stretch you, set a goal that would allow you to grow, and set a goal that would really challenge you. After this training, tawagan mo yung mentor mo, link arms with your mentor kung ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve. Kasi we still have a few days, kayang-kaya. And basta, I mean, you can work closely with your mentor. Last is time-bound. A time-bound is a goal that's a specific deadline. So meaning, kailangan may specific deadline para may sense of urgency. And then, it will help you to keep on track. So because we are not after with wishful thinking, we are after with willful thinking. So when you talk about setting goals, a lot of people think na yung success parang straight line siya. So when in reality, it's not. Success is a series of ups and downs, ups and downs. So it's not linear because not just in success in this business, but also success in real life. So, according to John Maxwell, goals help me to do better, but growth helped me to become better. So, along the way, as you do the business, you will encounter obstacles. I'm sorry to break your heart, because kahit sobrang ganda ng Nu Skin business natin or kahit sobrang world-class yung mga products natin, you will still encounter obstacles. Iba-iba nga lang siya, 'di ba? So, ano yung mga ito? First is dream stealers. So, these are the people who are important to you. These are the people who sincerely want to protect you from disappointment or failure kasi iniisip nila mas magaling sila sa'yo or iniisip nila na kilala ka nila or they know better than you. Sino-sino ba yung mga to? These are your best friend, yung classmates mo, or your parents, your wife, or your husband. So ako, when I started the business, my parents was very upset when they found out na me doing the business. So sabi ng mom ko, sabi niya, ako, Jen, puro ka lang umpisa, magaling ka lang mag-umpisa. Ang dami mong trinay, ang dami mong sinubukan. So magaling ka lang mag-umpisa, puro ka I mean, ano mong gastos, puro ka lang gastos. Marami kang pera na nasasayang. But, my parents were initially skeptical about me doing the business. But, anong ginawa ko? I treated them to an all-expense-paid trip to Hokkaido and Amsterdam. After that, they became my biggest supporter. So, you know what? Um, Inisip ko, 'di ba? Pero 'di ba kung dream stealer yung parents ko or yung loved ones natin, I understand na they're dream stealers sila because they have the best intention for us. Ayaw lang nila tayo masaktan. But at the same time, they can be sincerely wrong. Kasi baka hindi lang nila talaga naiintindihan kung gaano kaganda yung Nu Skin business natin or hindi lang talaga nila nakikita yung bigger picture. So that's okay. So ano yung gagawin mo sa mga dream stealers mo? Kailangan ba may kapag-away ka or kailangan ba makipagtalo ka? No. Show them your result. Show them your 100% or 200% commitment. Work hard to earn your first six six-figure income in this business. If you're not yet a brand rep, tapusin mo yung brand rep qualification mo. Later on, i-discuss paano tapusin in just 1 day or 1 week, kayang-kaya. Or, better, kung hindi ka pa nag-qualify sa success trip, tapusin mo yung EBP mo para masama mo yung dream stealers mo sa Cairo, sa next success trip natin sa Cairo, okay? Next is rejection. Never take it personally. It's actually a part of your life. Even you, marami ka rin nagdi-reject. Sometimes, example, sa McDonald's, pag nag-order ka, diba, tinatanong ng cashier, ma'am, gusto mo bang i-upsize yung fries or gusto mo bang i-upsize yung iced tea? So, ano yung sinasabi mo? No, hindi, okay lang. Ano ba yung sinasabi ng cashier? Na-upset ba yung cashier? It's because ayaw mong mag-upsize? Is it about the fries or is it about the iced tea? Hindi, di ba? So, if people reject you, you should not take it personally. Dapat nga magpasalamat ka kasi very clear sila in the first place in saying no to you rather than leaving you hanging, right? So, wag naman pagka halimbawa ni-reject ka or sininson ka, in-unfriend mo na or friendship over, wag mo ganon, don't burn the bridge because for me, pag nag-no, it's actually a delayed yes. No doesn't mean forever na siya nag-no. Balikan mo lang siya after 3 months, 6 months, or a year kasi baka magbago yung situation nila. And then I'm sure yung no na yan, magiging yes na yan. Next is deception. Ito yung mga tao na nagsasabi na, sige, mag-a-attend ako ng BOM or pupunta ako sa Esquadra. Then after that, hindi na sila nagparamdam at all. Okay lang yan. Because in the first place, we don't want to work with unprofessional people like them. So, meron tayong tinatawag na 3:1 ratio. Yung iba naman, 5:1. So, for every 3 or 5 na mapapresentan mo, o ma-share mo ng products, meron dyan isa na mag-yes. So, kaya nga, if you invited 10 and 7 yung hindi sumipot, meron ka pang 3. And of course, yung 3 na yan, sure ako na may magsa-sign up dyan. So, you don't feel bad, diba? In the beginning, share number will protect you from overreacting to a small amount of people saying no to the business or to the products. Next is attrition. Not everybody who comes into the business will finish the marathon with you. Sabi nila, alam mo yung business na yan, parang scam yun kasi parang konti lang yung naging successful. Pero if you think about it, ganun naman talaga sa real life, di ba? Maraming nag-quit. Maraming nag-fail kasi nag-succeed. If you think about law school or med school, maraming nag-fail. Kasi kahit nga sa gym, di ba, pagdating ng January to Feb, maraming nag-gym. Pero pagdating ng December, wala na, paunti na. So, but you don't say na scam yung gym. Ganun lang talaga. Ganun ang human nature. People quit on their business, people quit on their jobs and school. Kaya nga sabi nila, quitters will never win, and quitters will never win, and winners will never quit. And lastly, negative attitude. So you're the only person who can make or break it. So when you look at the successful person or our successful mentors, our team elite mentors, our $1 Million Circle member mentors, wala naman talagang pagkakaiba sa kanila. So the only difference between you and them is that they encountered a lot of rejection, dream stealers, and attrition. But they chose not to quit. Similarly, para tayong isang diamond. You know what? Yung diamond, nagsisimula siya sa carbon. So, yung carbon na yan, when subjected with too much heat, constant heat and pressure, in time, lalabas yung brilliance niya o yung kinang niya. Similarly sa atin. So, if we encountered a lot of rejections, a lot of attrition, so magiging rejection-proof tayo. Kaya nga, yung business natin is a numbers game, di ba? So, in time, lalabas din yung brilliance natin. Remember, people's negative opinion will not pay your bill or even pay for your dreams. Do you guys agree? John Maxwell even said, attitude is the difference maker. So yan. So success, don't just doesn't just find you, you have to go out and get it. That has been my part. I'll turn you over to Marlon to introduce our next speaker. Thank you, and I hope marami kayong natutunan. Bye.
Thank you, Jen. Our next speaker will teach us how to share the business more professionally and more effectively, how to invite our friends to the events and to the meetings professionally. So help me welcome Senior Brand Director, Ms. Clarice Butali.
Yan, good evening everyone. Can you hear me loud and clear? Ayan, so ang dami nating na-learn from Vic tsaka Sheila. So my background, ito naman ako. So wait, dito. Ayan, so my quick background, so I'm a nurse by profession. So all of my siblings are working as OFW nurses, and yun din yung original plan ko, mag-nurse in the US. Pero when I saw Newskin, nakita ko yung possibility na kung kaya maging successful sa Pilipinas, sabi ko, mas gusto ko yon. Plus, malaking help sa akin yung products kasi diba ganito ako kalaki before. Ayan. So, because of our amazing beauty devices, Lumispa and Galva, ang laki na in-improve. Tapos with our TRMe, ang laking help talaga na from XL, kasya na tayo sa small. So, agree ba kayo na marami tayong pwedeng matulungan with our amazing product, especially the opportunity? Can you type in A if you agree? Ayan. So, okay, so ayan, ito na yon. So right now, all of my siblings are working as nurses pa rin abroad, but because of the business, ayan, I have the freedom to stay with my parents, take care of them, and honor them while building my business. Plus, I can travel pa with them sa lahat ng mga 5-star success trips, care of Newskin. So, di ba, libre yan lahat ng Newskin. Gusto mo rin bang i-treat yung loved one mo sa 5-star trip all for free? Can you type in travel? Ayan. So, enough about me. Doon na tayo sa inviting part. So, dun sa main topic ko. So, guys, yung inviting, simple lang siya. Ang katumbas lang nito sa traditional business is you are just promoting or pinagkakalat mo sa kakilala mo, sa friends mo, friends of friends mo, or sa relatives mo na meron kang sinimulang negosyo. Kasi instead na gumamit ka ng mga traditional way of advertising or magbayad ka ng mga ads o kaya magbayad ka ng billboard, million yon. Ang maganda rito with inviting, libre lang siya. So kung titingnan nyo tong diagram na to, more of ang gagawin mo lang talaga in the beginning, syempre use the product kasi lahat naman tayo doon nag-start, and then you can start inviting people na ma-share yung product and yung business. Ang maganda, meron kang support team who will guide you every step of the way. Okay? So ganito lang guys yung inviting kasimple. Yung purpose niya is to sift and to meet. Ibig sabihin, salain mo among kakilala mo, sino kaya yung naghahanap ng upgrade? Pwedeng sa health, pwedeng sa skin, pwedeng sa upgrade sa travels, upgrade sa savings, upgrade sa finances. Pag game sila or open sila, then we meet them. Pwedeng offline, pwedeng online. Clear ba yun guys? So wala dyan nakalagay na kailangan kong mag-present, mag-discuss, bumili sila, i-convince, walang ganon. Ang nakalagay lang dyan, sift or meet. Ibig sabihin, tatanungin mo lang among your list kung sino dyan yung game. If game, meet. If not, friends pa din. Okay po ba yon? Ganun lang, kasimple. So, nung naging ganun yung mindset ko, kaka-attend ko ng training, naunawaan ko na hindi ako yung message, ako lang yung messenger. So, nagibigay tayo ng hope for health, for skin, for savings, travel, bahala sila if game sila. If not, okay lang yon. So, bakit mo gusto mag-invite sa mga event or product demo? Kasi as a new business partner, ang maganda, hindi kailangan alam mo lahat bago mo i-share sa friend mo na meron kang sinulang business or sinumulan ka ng product. Doon sa mga event, doon i-discuss comprehensive details ng product. Meron pang actual demo kasi 'di ba, karamihan ng tao visual, pag may nakita silang difference, mas para mas may emotional impact sa kanila. Tapos, may mga iba tayong friends, hindi natin alam na naghahanap pala sila ng upgrade. Hindi naman lalo ngayon, ang taas ng gas. Ang taas, bukas magtataas, full tank na ba kayo? So, diba? So, lahat na nagtataas talaga. So, isn't it much better na mali mo yung friends mo at this time, baka naghahanap sila ng better opportunity dahil in-invite mo siya or shinare mo sa kanya yung business, naging answered prayer ka pa sa kanila. So, they will learn sa event how to share and earn So from there, you get to sell or you get to share and sell effectively and professionally yung mga products natin, collagen, beauty device, ecosphere, etc. So bigger profits yan for you and faster mo ma-build yung first batch of customers mo and partners para eventually, if you want to earn more, pwede ka na maging brand rep. Ayan. So, set a target. So, depende sa'yo. Sabi nga ni Jen kanina, mas maganda meron ka talagang goal para may konting excitement ang life, di ba? Konting challenge. So, it's up to you. Pwedeng isang package A or ecosphere, up to you. Kasi business mo naman to. Okay? So, create a list. Sabi nga to ni Vic kanina. So, nakasulat tsaka nakalista para wala kang makakalimutan. Okay? And ang maganda sa Nu Skin business natin, wala siyang limit na sa Pilipinas lang. Open tayo sa 50 plus different countries. Sino rito may Facebook account? Can you type in Facebook? O, libre bang mag-post sa Facebook or mag-share? Ang maganda, basta connected kayo sa online or website, online connected kayo, ang maganda, pwede mong i-share yung ginagamit mo. Open tayo dyan. Nasa Pilipinas ka, nakita ka ng auntie mo gumagamit ng Lumis pa, nasa Canada siya, pwede nila ma-avail yung product sa Nu Skin Canada. Enjoy si auntie mo sa product. Sa discount, ikaw may profit ka. O di win-win situation. Galing, di ba? Ganun lang. So, ito na. Ready na ba kayo to learn how to invite? So, dalawa yan for product demo and for business preview. So, guys, simple lang to. Ito, guys, ano lang to ha? Sample lang to. You ask your mentor on how to do it, yung sa akma sa'yo. So, ito lang yung natutunan ko rin sa mga training sa inattend ko every time. So, guys, never ever forward a message kasi ang pinaka sweetest word sa paningin at sa tenga ng friend mo ay yung pangalan nila. So, don't forget their name. Kunyari, you recent ko in-invite, andito si Ate Riza. Hi, Ate Riza. So, hi, Ate Riza. Nag-host kami ng friends ko ng exclusive beauty masterclass tomorrow, 8 p.m. via Zoom lang. Yung topic, secret tips how to maintain radiant skin, how to age gracefully para glowing tayo kahit hectic schedule. Meron akong 2 VIP Zoom pass. Gusto mo, reserve kita. O ganun lang. Sinabi ko bang bumili siya? Sinabi ko bang itry mo yung product? Sinabi ko lang may ganitong event. Ako nag-host. Kami ng friends ko. Gusto mo bang mag-learn about skincare? Yan. Tapos pag gusto, edi send mo yung link. If not, edi okay lang. Baka hindi pa sila ready bumata at gumanda skin. Okay lang yon, ganon. Okay ba? Guys, are we learning so far? Ano to? Okay. So, ito, sample nun. Ito, guys, konting tips lang. Ba't ko to sinasabi? Kasi ganyan din ako before, yung mga donuts. Iwasan natin to. Kasi akala ko, pag ganyan ko sila in-invite, pupunta sila. Mas hindi pala sila pupunta kung gantong way ko sila in-invite. So, do not use, invite kita, attend ka, uy, punta ka, kung may event kami, lalo kung bago ka pala. So, kailan ka pwede? Kasi, yung mga tao feeling nila lahat busy sila, pero kumaga masyadong, gusto mo ikaw kasi may power na magbigay ng options. Bakit? Kasi, let's say, karamihan sa inyo, you're doing this part-time, baka may full-time business ka, full-time work, o kaya full-time ka sa bahay with your kids, with your family. So, hindi ka naman talaga pwede rin anytime. So, do we all agree, karamihan ng tao, they want choices, they want options. So, bigay mo yung 2 options na pwede ka din. Yan, so wag yung baka free ka. Kasi yung mga tao gusto nila, feeling special sila. Kapag exclusive, pag VIP, mas gusto nila yon. Pero pag free to all, mas ayaw ng mga tao. Okay? So, eto, tita ko, mommy to ng friend ko na nurse sa US. So, senior na to. Hindi nagpupuyat. So, hindi siya pwede sa 8 p.m. Sabi niya, naku, Riz, matutulog na ako. Puntahan mo na lang ako. Present ko na lang sa kanya. So, pinuntahan ko siya. Bumili siya ng 65K worth. Lahat nung i-demo ko na beauty device, sabi niya, magkano ka? Ay, hindi pala magkano ka. Magkano lahat yan? So, bumili siya, 65K worth. Dahil lang in-invite ko siya sa beauty talk, super happy. Sabi ko, tita, sino sa friend mo yung mag-e-enjoy sa pampering? Ay, sige, puntahin mo yung baka pwede nating, yung kumari ko, ganyan-ganyan. So, yung friend niya, bumili din naman ng lahat ng devices. Sabi niya, anong binili ni Babette? Yun din bibiling ko lahat. O, yun. Ganun pala sa mga barkada. Gayahan. O yan, so ganyan lang. O di ba? Dahil ba magaling ako mag-sales talk? Hindi. Ginaya ko lang tong invite. Okay ba? Simple ba? O, ganun lang. Tsaka yung beauty devices demonstrable, basta malapat mo sa face nila, gagana na yon, okay? So, eto, sa Japan, nag-inquire yung friend ko, si Sheng, pinapunta ko sa business preview kasi doon mas kumpleto. Nakita niya yung business, buti na lang may Nuskin Japan. So, hindi dahil magaling ako, kundi magaling si Nuskin kasi may Nuskin Japan, doon niya binibuild yung business. O, di ba? So, tapos nung nagpunta kami sa Japan, minute pa namin siya, umuwi siya dito sa Pinas last January for the leadership camp. O, di ba? Amazing ng business natin. Ito naman, to those people for Ecosphere, pag Thursday yon 8 p.m. So, ganun lang din. Sino ba tong huli? Hello, kanyari name, ano ba? Hello, Joy. Hello, Joy. By the way, but by the way agad? Ikamusta mo muna pala. Hello, friend. Kamusta? By the way, expanding kami now ng water system distribution business. Looking for partners to grow the market. Welcome pa ba sa'yo? Add-on income stream? So, di mo sinabi dyan na magnegosyo tayo, may papropose ako sa'yo. Walang ganon. Tanong mo, ini-inform mo siya na meron kang sinimula na business, looking for partners, tapos tinatanong mo lang kung welcome ang add-on income. Kasi kung welcome, di pag-uusapan yung details. Ngayon, kung hindi na sila welcome sa extra income, that's okay. O di ba ang simple? Kasi nagtatanong lang tayo, hindi tayo namimilit, tsaka hindi nagko-convince. And yung tanong, ang sagot lang dyan, sabi nga ni Ate Jan kanina, pwedeng yes, pwedeng no. Pag no, baka no for now, pero malay mo in the future, yes na. So whether sagot nila yes or no, okay lang yon kasi nagtatanong ka lang naman. Okay? So, pag game, share ko sa lahat ng details, pati technical aspects ng product and business numbers. Bigyan mo options. So, malaking help yung Ecosphere preview kasi doon dinidiscuss lahat. Yan. 8 p.m. yon. Or baka yung mentor mo dahil, let's say, baka may work ka, hindi swak doon sa business preview, magpa-guide ka sa mentor mo na pwede kayong exclusive preview, parang 2-on-1. Tanong mo lang din yung schedule niya para, syempre, gusto mong ma-observe si mentor paano mag-present ng product. So, eto si Doc Sunny, marami siyang dental clinic, marami siyang negosyo. Nag-search sa skincare, pero in-invite namin sa business preview. Nagandaan siya sa Ecosphere. Tapos yan, sinashare sa mga kumare niya, sa family niya, Ecosphere business. Ayan, ganun lang. Ito naman for product demo. So ito kasi ang maganda sa mga beauty devices natin guys, demonstrable. 'Di ba karamihan ng tao gusto ng instant results and kaya yon with Lumi Spa and Galvanic Spa in 10 to 15 minutes. So yung huli kong shinare ng product si Doc Kat. Sabi ko, hello Kat, ongoing beauty drive namin, launching ng beauty devices. We need feedback from credible people like you. As a thank you, you'll experience 2,500 worth of pampering session for free. Question, sino sa kakilala mo ang ayaw ng free? Di ba karamihan gusto? Can I visit you tomorrow, 10 a.m. or Wednesday, 10 a.m.? When mas okay sa'yo? Kita nyo guys, hindi ko tinanong kailan ka pwede, when ka free, kailan ka available. Nagbigay ako ng option kung kailan ako pwede. So, pipili lang siya. So, mabilis ma-zoom in. Kailan ba ako mas pwede? Bukas ng 10 or Wednesday ng 10? Ganun lang. Okay? Yon, ito na yun kanina. So ito mga ka-Zumba. Oh yan, 'di ba? Friend, ayan. So ito, after Zumba, nag-spa party kami. So ang masaya yan. Bumili sila 50,000 worth. Ito si Trixie tsaka yung husband niya si Yan sa Royal Caribbean. Bumili din sila Lumi Spa set. Si Tita Rose, kasama ko sa simbahan. Bumili yan, pumunta ng Nuskin Exquadra, bumili ng TR Me. 1 month. Ito, friend ng mama ko, bumili ng 47K worth. Cash on the spot. Ganun kaganda kasi lumit yun siya niya tsaka tumabingi mukha niya. Sabi niya, Riz, paano yung kabila? May bayad po. Magkano? 47,000. So, bumili siya. O, ito yung friend niya. Bumili din. 80,000 binili nito eh. Ganun kaganda yung product. Meron talagang nag-i-invest sa skin nila. And you will never know until matanong mo sila and maset mo sila for a meeting or presentation. So, never ever prejudge. Let your friends, relatives, kakilala mo decide for themselves. Kasi ganun din naman tayo. Tinanong din tayo ng friend natin once upon a time about the product na kung open itry or makita yung business. Okay? So ito, yun din, pumunta na ng Skin Exquadra. After makita yung business preview, bumili ng WellSpa tsaka TR Me. Kasi ang galing mag-explain ng business meeting sa office. Ito, katabi ko nga si Maris. Hi Maris, ayaw mag-hi ka. So si Maris naman, pinatry ko lang sa kanya yung product. Tapos, share ko din yung business. So ngayon, happy user siya ng ating fitness detox. So, ayan. Tapos ito, nanalo lang to sa golf tournament. So bumili siya Lumi spa set. Tapos nag-spa party na kami sa family niya kagabi. Attend din siya ng Harmony event natin sa Saturday. Last few slides, ito yung kinikwento ko na sinet ko ng beauty pampering session si Doc Kat. Siya may-ari ng RYC Wellness building dito. So anyways, bumili siya ng beauty package on the spot. O di ba? Siya na nag-galva, sabi niya, I'll do it. O yan. So okay. Tapos instead na pa-deliver ko, nag-volunteer akong i-deliver kanina. Tapos ayan, in-invite ko siya sa Harmony event for Saturday. So pupunta din siya all the way from Silang. So ito nung Saturday lang, thanks to our business preview kay na Marlon and Pen and other leaders. Ayan, sa Ate Riza nandito, new business partner. Hello, ayan, si LV na friend niya, soon to be, pero nag-start na gumamit ng product. So last na, Harmony event, sino rito may ticket na? Kaya pa ba? 1 minute. So March 28, Saturday, 1 p.m. sa Discovery Suites. Guys, hako talaga. You start number 1 with a target, ano yung goal mo, and then you make a list. So sabi ni Jen kanina, 3:1. So kung target mo 5 na makarating, edi 15 yung nasa listahan mo or more para at least hindi ka mamimilit, nagtatanong ka lang. So dun sa 15 posible, 5 doon mag-game. So ganun lang. Tapos pag game na, may minimal door fee 300. So ito yung last Harmony event. So doon maganda actual, comprehensive details, trends and timing ng right business. Yung mga friends mo, kakilala mo, they will meet successful people na mas makaka-relate sila. So, kaysa ikaw mag-explain lahat, mag-make ka na lang ng effort na i-invite sila properly. Higher sign-up and shopping rate yun for you. Ibig sabihin, more customers, more partners, more income for you. Tapos natulungan na pa yung mga friends mo with our products or business. You get to build your team para brand rep ka ASAP. Pwede ka pang on track mag-qualify sa Cairo. So guys, ito lang din yung invite ko. Ginawa ko lang mas VIP. Nag-host kami ng fitness buddies or fitness friends ko ng first ever wellness expo and launch in Discovery Suites Hotel sa Ortigas as a Discovery Suite sa Saturday, March 28. Gusto kitang maging VIP guest. Naisip kita since you also value beauty and wellness. Ganyan lang. Launch ang nutritional detector from the US. Malalaman mo in few seconds ang overall health mo. Kaya lang, since exclusive, meron na lang akong 2 VIP tickets. You want, reserve ko na sa'yo yung isa. O, ganun lang. Ito naman kung pampering. Showcasing beauty devices, need feedback, you'll experience 5 worth of premium pampering session. Ganun pa na rin. Ganun pa din, kaya exclusive. So, same lang. Tapos pag game na tulad nito, in-invite ko kahapon. Tapos sabi ko, may minimum door fee, 300. So, nagbayad na siya. So, guys, I hope you learned a lot. So, ito yung mga iba from customers na first time attend ng event, preview, dinala namin sa event. And right now, they're also doing the business with us. So guys, I hope you learned a lot. So set a target para more income for you. Get your tickets today kasi wala pong on-site. So kung na-visualize mo, you will have 5. Di syempre, go for 5 plus 1, isa for you, then yung 5 sa friends mo. So back to you, Marlon.
Thank you, Reese, for that wonderful sharing. The last but not the least speaker is a self-made millionaire, is the 2024 Direct Selling Association of the Philippines Sales Achiever of the Year. He will teach us how to make the millions in the business. Help me welcome Engineer Romel De Ocampo.
All right, thank you Marlon for the introduction and for everyone na nag-share sa atin ng kanilang mga learnings and experiences. Kamusta kayo? So this is the last part, especially sa mga bagong partners natin, welcome. Gusto kong i-share sa inyo paano nagsimula ang new skin journey ko. Sobrang unique nung, yan, nawawala yung slide. Sobrang unique how I started in the business kasi dahil yung sponsor ko, sinusundan yung system na tinuro kanina ni Vic. At the same time, meron siyang goals na tinuro kanina ni Miss Jen Elizalde. And of course, in-apply niya rin nung sponsor ko yung inviting 101 kahit wala siyang background sa ganitong part of business. Na-recruit niya ang kagaya ko na stranger kami nag-start. Okay, so hindi ko malilimutan yon. 14 years ago, nag-work ako as a design engineer. I'm a mechanical engineer by profession. Taga Batangas kami. And ang alam ko lang kasi talaga noon, sabi ng nanay ko, I came from a poor family, broken family, raised by a single mom. Kailangan kong maging engineer. As a matter of fact, I'm the first engineer in our family, no? Para makaahon kami sa hirap. So yun lang talaga yung tiningnan ko kahit hindi ako masyado competitive sa school, hindi ko alam. Pero laser focus ako, kagaya nung kaninang sinabi sa goals na begin with the end in mind, kailangan ko lang magka-lisensya. So true enough, nagka-license po ako year 2011. So nag-work ako. Doon ko nakita yung new skin. So part-time side hustle ko lang to. Natulungan ako ng buong team, especially ni na Marlon and Pen. And ang plot twist, yung nag-recruit po sa akin na stranger, siya pa yung napangasawa ko. So grabe, sobrang laking blessing nun. Kaya yung lahat ng ginagawa natin sa Nu Skin, I really consider this as a blessing. Every time we invite people to the business, you'll never know kung paano mababago yung buhay. Isa ako sa buhay na patotoo kung paano nagbago ang buhay ko because of Nu Skin. So madali ba yung journey? Hindi. Pero definitely worth it siya. Nung naiset up ko yung buhay ko, I got married when I was 25. Tapos nagkaroon kami ng family. During that time, na-build na namin yung early foundation ng business. Kaya ngayon, I'm turning 36 this month. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-work. I enjoy family time. I have a lot of options and choices dahil lang new skill. So, paano nangyari lahat yan? It all started when I understood paano nag-work yung vision at saka paano kumikita sa new skin. Okay? Kapag okay yung mindset natin, guys, lahat ng itinuturo sa atin pamula kanina hanggang ngayon, papasok yan, mai-input natin into action. So, excited na ba kayo? Sino dito gusto kumita ng first million nila in this business? Can you type million? Okay? Possible. Ako from zero talaga guys to close to 20 million in total commissions. Nu Skin po talaga nagbigay niya. So hindi lang yan pwede lagi i-post, no, pero sobrang na-experience namin yan because of this opportunity. May 3 tao sa Nu Skin. Affiliate, brand representative, at saka leader. Una, gusto ko i-congratulate lahat kayo nandito sa bago at saka sa hindi masyado bago. As long as you're running, as long as you're here, you will get there. No? Hanggat naniniwala ka na may pag-asa, you will get there. Nag-start ang lahat sa affiliate. Okay? So, ang affiliate, selling, ang pinaka-main na task na ginagawa. Walang problema dyan. Walang masama dyan. Yun nga lang, maliit yung income. Okay? Sino dito magaling magbenta? Congrats. Very good, no? Naka 1 foot at the door ka na. Paano, sino dito yung hindi magaling magbenta? It's okay, hindi siya major requirement. Kasi sa medium income, kailangan mo building team. Team builder ka dapat dito. So may mga tao ka. Medyo ang income mo dito, mga nasa 30 to 80,000 per month o to 100. Pwede na, right? No? Na wala kang malaking kapital, wala kang overhead, hindi mo kailangan ng gas kahit pataas ang gas sa business na to. Di ba? Sobrang gandang business ng Nu Skin. Hindi mo kailangan lumabas lagi. Okay? So, big income, developing leaders naman ito. Ito yung leader. Ito na yung kumikita ng billions in the business. So, dahil lahat tayo nag-start ng affiliate, ang next jump natin ay ano mga kapatid? Ano guys? Sus ko, akala ko nagpipreach ako. Ano yung sunod nating jump from affiliate? Dapat maging, excuse me, brand rep. Tama. Kailangan maging BR ka. So ngayon, ano ba yung BR? Meron kang team. May 3 uri ng tao under you. Customer, sila yung bumibili ng products. We love them. Kanina lang, before this, may nag-message sa akin client ko for, I think pandemic pa, Romel, kailangan na namin ng filter. Oo, dalhin mo sa amin bukas. Sabi niya, idamay mo na. Sabi ko, anong oras? Idamay mo na pagsundo mo ng anak mo para tipid sa gas. Napaka-sweet ng mga client namin. So, nag-aalala talaga din sila sa gas, no? Pero alaga namin yan for the past like almost 10 years. Ganyan ang mga customers. Dapat may ganyan ka. Sino dito may customers? Can you type C? C. Okay? Ngayon, meron ka din dapat retailers. Ito yung mga partners mo na hindi talaga necessarily gustong like nagbi-build ng team, pero mahilig lang magbenta. Ayan naman, kahapon, meron akong matagal ng reseller na ang kanya lang binebenta ay deodorant. Sa palengke, dito sa Bawan. Romel, kailangan ko ng 10 deodorant. Meron bang 10 plus 1? Sabi ko, meron. Okay, ayan, sakto. Punta ako ng church namin sa Bawan. As in, ano lang yon, drop off lang. Labas siya dun sa karsada. Meet lang kami. For the past 10 years, yun lang ang in-order niya sa amin. Marami kaming ganyan. Sino dito ang meron ng resellers or retailers? Can you type R? Yan. Tapos, ang last, meron ka dapat builders or leaders. Ito naman yung mga partners mo na kasama mo sa mga trainings. Sila yung nagbe-build, nagbebenta rin sila. Tapos meron din silang nagbebenta under nila. Nagre-recruit din sila. Yan. Sino dito ang meron ng mga leaders? Nga type L. Dapat yung 3 tao na yan meron ka. Paano kung wala pa? Kailangan ka magkaroon. Okay? Kailangan mo i-apply lahat ng tinuro dito. Pag uma-attend ka lang tapos di mo ina-apply, sayang, no? Lalo sa panahon ngayon, guys. Kita niyo naman ang ating ekonomiya. Sabi nga doon sa isang it's just parang, anong English doon? Sarili mo na lang it's all about us. Parang ganon. Kung hindi ka a-action, walang tutulong sa'yo, right? So, bakit kailangan ka maging brand representative? Una, makakwalify ka sa trips. Pangalawa, mas malaki talaga yung income. Tsaka mas hindi ka pagod. Oo. Gusto niyo ba yung pagod na pagod na pagod? Yung si Catherine Bernardo? Ano natin on, right? So, ito yung, excuse me. Ito yung mga trips. Lahat ng mga magagandang trips and memories na kaano na yan. Core memory na yun sa akin. At kasama ko dyan ang asawa ko. Thank God for new skin. Okay? Thank God for my wife who had the courage to invite a stranger like me few years ago. Thousands of graduates from Batangas State University tinawagan natin, Mitch. Ang dami nag-no. Then may isang nag-yes, nakagaya ko at napangasawa pa niya. Yes. So ito, let's go to Cairo. Ito yung next incentive trip natin. Nakagawa na ba kayo ng AI-generated Cairo trip nyo? Naku, ang dali nito sa ChatGPT. Oo. I-message sa inyo ng mentor nyo ano ang prompt. So, ano next step? Maging brand representative. Paano maging brand rep? Kailangan ikaw ay productive. Can you type productive in the chat box? Productive. Kagaya ng regular na coffee shop or negosyo, kailangan meron kang sales. Yun lang naman, ganun lang kasimple, 2,000 points. Kita yung mga points, nandito na sa inyong harapan. Excuse me. Ikaw lang sa sarili mo, magkaroon ka ng tigi-tigisang galvanic, eco, lumi, collagen, 1,000 points ka na. Halfway through ka na sa 2,000 points. Possible ba may isang kang friend na gusto lang din magkaroon ng tigi-tigisan yan? Sobrang possible. The problem is, kapag mas na napupuno ang isip mo ng mga limits because of the negativity happening around you, mas pinapanood mo yung mga bad news around you, yun, nawawalan ka ng possibility. Okay? Nag-iiba yung thought process mo. In return, yung result mo, wala din. Sino dito ang Ecosphere user na? Can you type E in the chat box? Kasi may 3 options ka para maging mabilis sa business na to. So, ang tawag doon, fast track. Kagaya lang ng regular na tindahan or negosyo. Nakapunta na ba kayo sa, naranasan nyo na yung bumili kayo sa isang store tapos lahat ng binibili mo wala doon. Like ubos. 'Di ba parang na-disappoint ka. Lilipat ka na, no? Nawawala yung credibility ng store. Ganon din sa business mo. Yung una niyo pong binili na builder pack, na personal niyo pong ginamit, hindi pa po yun business. Okay? So parang ano lang yun, personal use niyo lang po yun, entry to this wonderful opportunity and platform. Ang totoong negosyo mag-i-start pag nag-fast track ka. Ano yung fast track? Magpa-purchase ka na advance sa mga stocks for you to use for building or selling. Okay? Kasi lahat po ng negosyo ay merong stocks or inventory. Pero sa totoo lang, sobrang liit lang naman ito. Hindi kagaya ng isang store. Nagulat nga ako. Dati kala ko pag sari-sari store, ay mura lang puhunan yan. Alam niyo ba yung isang maliit na sari-sari store na puno ng mga mantika, puno ng mga chichirya dyan? Naku, mahina 100,000. I-try nyo, pumunta kayo dun sa mga sari-sari store yung nasa barangay. Ganun katindi, guys. Tatauhan niya yun habang like maghapon pero magkano lang profit. Sa atin, hindi naman ganyan. Kasi, example, Ecosphere user ka. Magandang ano sa'yo, fast track Ecosphere. Kasi bibili ka lang 4 in advance, no? Tapos makukuha mo siya wholesale lower than members price. 156,000 lang. So 39K mo lang siya nakuha each, pero ang regular members price ang 43K, may 4,000 ka na agad na markup, no? Kahit members price mo ibenta. So, paano kung retail mo pa siya nabenta at 61.4? Meron kang 22,400 retail profit each unit or a total of 89,600 return on investment from 156. So, ang laking markup, ang laking return yan, guys. Yung 156, pag nilagay mo sa bangko or wherever, hindi kikita. Possible ba na may 4 ka na kapitbahay or friends na gusto magkaroon ng malinis sa tubig? Of course, sobrang possible your mentors will help you. Sino dito ang Galvanic Spa users? Maganda naman to sa inyo. Galvanic Spa Fast Track. So, 93,000 lang siya. Lagi mas mababa sa members price. Kasi guys, pag isa-isa nyo binili to, oo, ayan, si Clarice Marie ay nagdo-drawing. 21.5 ang isa. So may 3,000 ka na agad. So, kung mabenta mo pa ng retail at 32, may 13,400 ka each unit and a total of 67, 67 pala to. 67,000 total profit. O yung 93,000 mo, kahit ilagay mo sa MP2, hindi kikita ng 67,000. Ang dami pa natulungan na mabanat yung face or magkaroon ng business. Kasi pwedeng builder pack, no? Yan yung entry pack niya. Ito favorite ko. Ito ay hanggang katapusan na lang, guys. Bumili na kayo nito. Sayang, hindi kayo nakabili. 53.5 lang. By the way, nga pala, hindi ko nasabi, ang Ecosphere 2,000 points, ang Galvanic 1,000 points, so halfway through ka na. Ito 800 points, pero grabe ang profit nito. Better together. Okay, ito yung pinaka-slang. Ang better together kasi, 4 na Lumis pa IO. At 8, tawag dito, 8, ang tawag dyan, collagen. Okay, 8 collagen. So, pag kinumpute nyo, guys, 17.7 ang selling yan, di ba? Alam nyo ba, sa 53.5 nyo, pag na-move out nyo yan, pati yung collagen, na kahit members price lang, 50,300 ang babalik sa inyo na profit. Sobrang laki, guys, parang 200% profit. Ganyan. Kaya kahit magpa-free taste ka ng collagen, pero wag naman lahat. No? Kahit sa'yo na lahat yung free, sobrang sulit po ng Better Together. Sulitin mo lang yan, makahanap ka ng ilang partner who will duplicate you, brand rep ka. So how this business will be possible for you guys? Kailangan ba magaling ka magbenta? Kailangan ba pogi ka na agad kagaya ko? Kailangan ba maganda ka na agad? Banat na banat? Kailangan ba glass skin na agad ang face mo kagaya ni Jen? O kaya super slim mo na agad kagaya ni Reese? Not necessarily. Okay? Hindi talaga. Kasi yung mga skills na yan, secondary yan. Ang una dapat na i-correct ay yung iyong thoughts. Okay? Dito sa book na to, napakaganda niyan. Yung tinatawag na TFAR. So, remember nyo yan, guys. TFAR. So, pag hindi mo to naintindihan early on your business, sobrang mahihirapan ka. Hindi kailangan ng mayaman ka na agad or whatever. Magiging possible sa'yo ang paglaki ng business mo. Pati yung paglaki ng income mo. Kung malaki na yung mindset mo. Dito nagsisimula lahat in our thoughts. Example, di ba, nag-discuss na tayo pa mula kay Vic hanggang sa akin. Kapag ang thoughts mo, ang lalaki naman nung hindi ko alam kung may bibili. Hindi mo na ako magpa-fast track kasi wala pa naman bibili. So yung feelings mo, your thoughts will lead to your feelings. Feeling mo, walang bibili. So yung action mo, tipid. Alam mo yun, parang hindi ka palaban. Paurong ka no? Parang steady ka lang. In business, guys, and in success, kailangan talaga hataw ka. Okay? Hindi lalaban talaga, guys, yan. Lalo ang mga negosyante. Alam niyo kanina nga, yung lagi kong pinupuntahan ng coffee shop. Yan, si Shek, kasama namin kanina. Grabe, maghapon. Kami lang yung tao. Mm-mm. Tough. So, babayad pa rin ng renta. Ilan ang empleyado niyan? O, di ba? Pero inilalaban araw-araw. Tayo, guys, wala naman tayong ganun. Fast track lang tayo, rejection, nag-no yung iyong friend, hindi sumipot yung guest mo. Sobrang minor na minor lang. Dito, masaya pa, meron ka pang mentors na kasama mo. Ano mo yun? Minor lang. Dahil ang actions mo ay tipid, dahil ang thoughts mo ay limited, yung resulta mo, kapos na kapos. It's either hindi umuusad ang business mo, wala ka nagiging profit, wala ka nagiging team, wala ka rin kliyente. Yun. Na-attend ka dito pero hindi ka rin nag-move forward. So, kita niyo yung cycle. Balik natin. Kung ang thoughts mo, ay, yan, fast track. Kahit kakabili ko lang ngayon, go ako dyan. Kasi naniniwala ko meron. Ito yung ginawa ng mentors ko, ito yung system na proven. I will duplicate, I will copy. Kaya ko to, magpipray ako, I will take actions. The team, the system will help me. So yung feelings mo after nito, excited ka kumausap ng mga tao, hindi ka nahihiya. Go, go, go ka. Ang dami mong naiisip. Sinong pwede sa Galvanic, pwede sa Ecosphere, sa Harmony. Ganyan ka. Sinong ganyan? So, excited. Kaya type excited, ganun dapat ang ma-feel mo. Kasi nga yung thoughts mo, tama. So, actions mo, fast ka agad. Okay, gagawa ka ng paraan. Resourceful ka. No? Yung resulta mo, yan, BR ka na this way. Yan. Tapos marami ng sunod-sunod na clients and partners along the way. Ganyan nangyayari yung sa thoughts process, guys. Even on a regular day, umulan, ang isip mo, ay, ang lungkot, walang bibili, umuulan, mali. Sabi ni Ate Gay, mali, di ba? Dapat ay umulan, blessing. Okay, hindi ako mainitan. Gets nyo, guys, kung saan nag-work 24. So, ano ba talagang purpose ng fast track? Kailangan ma-unlock yung potential mo. The fact na dinala ka dito ng Panginoon sa new skin, may potential ka. New skin is not for everyone. Ang daming taong napakitaan ng BOM. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, yung buong batch namin nag-graduate sa BSU, batch 2011, tinawagan ni Mitch. Hindi naman lahat di ba? Naging successful. May potential ka kung bakit ka nandito. Mayroong plano sa iyo. Ngayon, nasa sayo kung paano mo i-unlock yon. It's your decision and choices na. Okay? Commitment, preparation, duplication, 200% support. Itong apat na to, mag-unlock ng full potential mo. Sino dito ang ready ma-unlock ang full potential mo as a successful entrepreneur? Can you type unlock in the chat box? Try ko na i-maximize to. Ayan, sana hindi mawala. Yan, hindi na siya nawala. Okay? Unlock tayo. Commitment. Win even before you begin. Ito yung pinaka-importante sa mga entrepreneur. Wala pa, nakikita mo na yung success. Yan yung una naming fast track. Galvanics pa, kahit wala kaming car, nagta-tricycle kami, yung pang fast track namin, kaya na sana namin bumili ng pang tricycle. Pero inuna namin yung fast track. Why? Kasi doon talaga manggagaling yung sunod-sunod naming millions in the business. Yan ang training sa amin mula noon hanggang ngayon. At hanggang ngayon, paulit-ulit kami nagpa-fast track. Marami na ba kaming kliyente? No. Marami ba kami resellers partners? Wala. Naniniwala kami sa sarili namin ni Mitch. At dahil dyan, una, naniniwala kami sa Diyos. Pangalawa, naniniwala kami sa sarili namin. At because of that thoughts and belief, alam niyo ba, together with the help of our mentor, we had 100% commitment maging successful na move namin yung fast track namin in less than a month. kumita kami 30K profit. Pero hindi lang siya 30K, it's a core memory. Merong na-unlock. Na-unlock sa mindset belief ko sa buong pagkatao ko na wow, 20s ako, mahirap lang ang pamilya namin. Walang kisama yung bahay namin when we started. And marami pa akong pimples nun, guys. Kaya. Kaya sa new skin. Ganon ang mangyayari sa yung miracle kapag ikaw ay nag-fast track at na-unlock yung iyong commitment. Okay, sa lahat ng bagay kailangan niya. So ito, number 2, preparation. So preparation is very important. Kasi kapag meron ka ng stocks, pag may nangailangan ng produkto, meron ka ng builder na kailangan mag-sign up sa harap mo, lalo kami nasa probinsya, no? Tapos syempre, meron ka ng ibibigay na product. Kagaya nito, nagkaroon kami ng event with one of our brand representatives, si Day, na ano to, mga architects. Alam niyo, on the spot, meron dyan bumili ng collagen. Ito si Madam. Asawa siya ng architect. Ay, paano kung hindi kami naka-fast track? Nag-booth-booth pa kami. Sabi, ano ba yan? Wala kayong paninda. Wala na. Mawawala na yung napaka-importanting kliyente. So, parang dinidiscredit, parang hindi ka masyadong credible kasi wala kang stocks, no? Hindi ka ready to sponsor another person, right? Ito, ang gandang story nito, guys. Meron kaming kliyente na naging BR from DPWH. Happens na meron siyang friend. Sino bang friend niya dito? Yung babae ata. So, balikbayan to, sina Madam at si Sir, from US. Citizen sila. Nag-retire na sila sa Philippines. Alam niyo ba ang mga taga-US? Talagang, alam mo ang story nila? Nasiraan siya nila dito dahil sa mga tubig sa Pilipinas. Ano naman, nakagalo naman yung tubig. Like, yung in-order naman sa water station. For some reason, hindi talaga match yung nasanay sila sa malinis na tubig. So sabi ni Tita Flor, ito nasa baba. Yan, si Tita Flor. Ay nako, mag-ecosphere ka. Naka-ecosphere ako sa bahay. 61,400. Minessage lang niya ako. The next day, ando na kami. Kasi naka-fast track kami. Prepared. Cash yan, guys. 61,400. Paano kung wala? Paano kung wala akong stock? Iintayin ko pa. Makakapag-intay pa ba itong mag-asawa na to ng iinumin nila? Ayaw na nga nilang bumili ng water delivery. So, order na yun sa iba. Sayang naman ng isang diamond client na habang buhay, o-order ng filter sa akin. 'Di ba? Ganun ang nagagawa ng fast track. Ito naman, si Ate Jamie, one of our brand rep. Siyempre, na-close namin ang isang department sa city government ng Batangas City. Kailangan ng 10 units. Pwede ba sabihin ni Ate Jamie, ay bayad muna po. Hindi pwede. Sa totoo lang, ano pa yan? Uunahin mo talaga yung delivery bago ka bayaran. So fast track. Hindi pwedeng gusto mo ng malaking bagay or result, pero maliit yung moves mo. Pero sa totoo lang, ito for a business, maliit na to kasi hindi naman to na-stock ng matagal. Like, nabayaran din agad. Pero nag-fast track. Ito, prepared din. Meron akong voucher from golf event. So, si Madam nagpunta. Fast track, meron din akong collagen. Prepared lagi tayo to sponsor another client. Tapos, ipinasok niya kami, guys, merong semiconductor supplies company sila. Yan. So, nung nakita, ayoko magbenta pero I can introduce you to events. So, meron kami ongoing collaboration with a golf country club na lahat ng events sa golf na yon, matika pasok na ang home beauties. Okay, kami yan. Home beauties. Imagine nyo kung hindi ka prepared. 'Di ba? Kung hindi ako nag-fast track few years ago, wala lahat yan. Baka wala na ako matagal na sa Nuski. Na-unlock yung potential. Ito, ang ganda rin itong story na to. Itong babae na to, may-ari siya ng isa sa pinaka-established hotel resort here in Batangas. So, na-refer siya ng isang kliyente. Ngayon, nagpapa-IV clinic to. Ang purpose, kasi ang purpose namin dyan, mag-ecosphere yung buong hotel. Pero sa preliminary conversation, may water station sila. At yun ang nagpo-provide sa buong hotel. O di wala na, tapos na, wag na. Beauty na tayo, sa beauty na lang tayo. On the spot, ay sabi niya, wow, meron palang ganyan. Meron din siyang spa. So, napalift natin yung skin niya, gustong-gusto yung galvanic. Hindi na daw muna siya mag-IV clinic sa Alabang kasi magagalvanic na lang siya. Lumigalva collagen on the spot. Eh kung hindi kami prepared na merong fast track, wala na yan. Sa iba na bibili o baka disappointed, negosyante yan eh. O ito ang ganda rin ng story na to. Online naman nag-start si She. Yan, si She, nonchalant yan. Pero online, keyboard warrior yan, no? Ang galing, nakakapag-set. Sir John, guys. Sir John. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Surgeon. Si Sir John, si Doc, nagpresenta namin ng collab, business. Alam nyo, ito pa lang si Doc na to, parang nakikita niya na ano kayo pwedeng business. Nakita niya legitimate. Tapos naghahanap pala siya ng purifier. So why not business na? Kinabukasan, taga nila ang sa amin, same barangay ko. Na-deliver agad namin ng EcoSphere kasi naka-fast track si She. Eh paano kung hindi? Eh stranger yan, cold market. Eh baka isipin pa ni sir, ay maka-scam ata itong mga ito. Kung kukunin muna agad ang bayad. Yun ang nagagawa guys ng fast track. Ito pa, ito nakakatuwa. Yung asawa nitong babae, nag-search EcoSphere in Batangas. Nakakatuwa. Pangalan kong lumabas, kakashare ko ng stories, kahit walang nagla-like, walang nagko-comment. Sige lang, tuloy lang ng post. Nandyan pa rin tayo, we keep on showing up, no? Buhay ang business. Ako yung lumabas sa top feeds. Kinontak niya ako. Kailangan ko ng EcoSphere. Tapos yung nag-interior ng bahay niya, nag-i-EcoSphere din. I don't know, hindi siya dun umorder. Nagkagalit ba sila or what? Sa akin umorder on the spot. Eh kung wala akong EcoSphere, kung hindi ako prepared, kung hindi ako nag-fast track few years ago, hindi sila sa akin mapupunta. Taon-taon, bumorder to ng filter. May-ari rin to ng spa. Ito online days, pandemic days guys. Grabe to, never ko pa to na-meet up until today. Ayan, kung hindi ka naka-fast track, hindi mo kayang gawin yung ginawa ko. Ready na po. Yung tipong lahat ng items, mai-picture mo on hand at kaya mo mag-ask ng bayad kahit wala pa yung item. Kaya niyo yun? Nakuha ko na yung almost 30,000 yung pera. Wala pa yung item. Kasi na-establish mo yung brand na lagi kang may stock at credible ka sa negosyo mo. Ganun na naka-fast track. Kung gusto niyo maging malaki in the business, pinakamaliit mo na magagawa ay mag-fast track. Pangatlo, duplication. Monkey see, cause monkey do. Kanina sa system, pinaka-key to become successful in this business, kailangan franchise na McDonald's, pare-pareho. Mag-i-start ang duplication model sa'yo. Kung hindi ka mabilis, hindi rin mabilis yung partners mo. So ito magandang story. Si Vanji, na-meet lang ni Mitch through Instagram. On the spot, builder namin ng Better Together. Sa pag-grow niya sa business, na-explore, na-expose, nag-fast track. Okay? Magpa-fast track ba si Vanji kung kami na sponsor niya hindi naka-fast track? Hindi. Kasi syempre paniniwalaan niya, ikaw nag-fast track ka ba? Eh kami magpa-fast track ba kung yung mentor namin hindi naka-fast track, Marlon Pen? Hindi rin, right? So it's a duplication process. So how to overcome your fear? Kailangan may courage ka. O ito, other example, si Day brand rep, nag-fast track. Yung sponsor niya na medtech, si Eza, naka-fast track. Magpa-fast track ba si Day kung si Eza hindi naka-fast track? Hindi. Si Jamie, naka-fast track. Actually, yung sponsor ni Jamie na dentista, naka-fast track din yon. Tapos si Jamie, naka-fast track. Yung classmate niya, si Tina, nag-fast track. Kita niyo guys yung trend ng duplication. Mas mabilis pag naka-fast track ka. Kasi gaya-gaya ang business. It's all about inspiring other people na kaya rin nila. Lahat ng to, ng mga partners namin, in spite of all the economic challenges, they had their courage, they mustered the courage mag-fast track because we started it, our mentors started it. Now, the story starts with you today. Magpa-fast track ka ba? Do you want to create your success story. You can create it by doing the fast track. Ma-unlock mo yan sa sarili mo. And of course, 200% support. Your mentors, the whole team will never leave you behind. Ang dami niyan. Yung support ng mentors 100% sa mga hindi fast track. So, meron pa rin. Pero kung gusto mo mas mabilis, iba yung 200% support. How can you experience that? Try mo mag-fast track. Okay? Ma-unlock mo yan. So, speaking of foundation, kanina pa ulit-ulit na pinromote sa atin, gusto mo ba talagang mag-grow? Lalo sa panahon ngayon ng crisis. Kailangan patatagin mo yung foundation. Huwag masyadong heavy sa result. Nasa goal ka, meron kang dream board. Good. Dapat obsess ka everyday on your daily building the foundation. What are those? May names. Ibig sabihin, may palagi kang kausap. Products, gumagamit ka ng products. Fast track. BOM, lagi kami ini-invite na share ng opportunity. Guys, sobrang daming kinangangailangan ng extra income ngayon. Pag hindi mo sila nakikita, ibig sabihin mo sila hinahanap. Okay? So ano pa? Trainings, in-house. Ito, training to. Training mo din yung mga, ito, Harmony. Yung Harmony sa Saturday, kung wala ka pang ticket ngayon, paubos na, mag-send ka na agad ng chika sa mentor mo para kasama ka namin dito. The last event for this year. Ang ganda niyan. Or for this month. And of course, yung mga books and CDs. Bootcamp. Sino pong kasama na sa bootcamp? Sobrang saya na ito, guys. 2-day transformational camp. It's either Batangas or Tagaytay, 3,800 lang. Full meals na yan, accommodation, international trainings. Sobrang ganda niyan, guys. Kung gusto mo ma-unlock yung full potential mo, character development, magbayad ka na ng sa bootcamp. No? Tsaka yung BDD natin weekly, 10 a.m., grabbing boost of energy yan, makasama ang mga mentors and successful people in the business. Sa ngayon na maraming negativity outside, kailangan sumama ka sa mga positive para mas umangat yung business mo. Tsaka yung ating anniversary ng Nu Skin on May 2, huwag kayong mawala dyan, guys. Sobrang gandang formal event yan. 500 pesos lang. Marami ka rin matututunan dyan. So lastly, next actions to take, secure your fast track. Start session with your mentor right away. Bring all your people. Ang dami natin. BOM Thursday, meron tayong Tuesday, Saturday, meron pa tayong sa Ortigas, yun yung Harmony. At kung sa mga ibang mentors nyo pa, kagaya sa mga partners ko, meron pa tayong one-on-one, everyday, anytime. Lahat, we're here to help you. Finish your brand job this week. Guys, ito, iiwan ko sa inyong quote. Isa sa mga favorite quote ko na sobrang effective sa akin. Ang dami natin pwedeng isiping negativity or fear. Lahat tayo may ganyan. Pero the best cure for that is action. Huwag ka ma-stagnant. Huwag ka mag-overthink. Keep moving forward. Do your fast track. Keep talking to people. The next thing you know, every little step can lead you. Every yes and every no in your business can lead you to the next big client. Can lead you to the next big leader in your team. So ang ayaw mong gawin, yung mag-stop ka. Ang ayaw mong gawin, yung mapuno ng limitation yung utak mo. Because dun mag-e-end lahat yung business and pangarap. So guys, sana nakatulong tong presentation na to. Ito yung last slide ko and sana let's do this together. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Lahat ng blessing na nangyari sa buhay ko, it started the moment na nakita ko yung Nu Skin and I take action sa lahat. So can we say all together, I am the next success story. So sana nakatulong to, guys. See you. God bless. Bye-bye. Good night.